Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I have another amazing but very different recipe for Gulab Jamun cake. Yes, you heard it right, you have never heard of this recipe before. Let's start the recipe. Grease your cake mold. Set the butter paper and keep aside. In a bowl add 6 eggs and 1 cup powdered sugar. Beat until foamy. One teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Combine 1 cup all-purpose flour. Fold the batter. Pour batter into the prepared cake mold. Bake 15 minutes on medium flame. Carefully remove the cake from the pan and continue to let it cool completely. 1 cup whipping cream. Beat until foamy. Cut the cake into 2 layers. Soak the first layer with Gulab Jamun sugar syrup. Spread some whipped cream and put Gulab Jamun pieces. Keep spreading the whipping cream along the sides until your entire cake is covered. Decorate the cake with Gulab Jamun. Sprinkle some chopped pistachios. Chill the cake for 30 minutes. I would love to hear from you if you try this cake. Do mention it in my comment section, how you liked it, or if you made any changes in it, so that even I can appreciate your efforts. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to my channel.